what is meant of a list? As well, list is equal to list is as a list means any list like a number strings or anything like we buy bookstore then in bookstore much how list then we get pen pencil books sorry I forget double inverted comma because this is a string in this string you should apply double inverted comma I forget let's leave this is comment only. Okay, list means anything which include something. List of something. Okay, let's start with so my bookstore. Okay, pen book store. Uh, now I make a list. Uh, book, book pencil. Okay, and so on. But I did three one. Let's see. Oh, sorry. So that's it. So now I print. So this is given our thing. Okay, this is the form of list. Okay. Now typecast. Mm, mm, Four. This is the next thing I will tell you. But there is nothing in four. Four. There is not three. Let's see. Typecast. What? Induction is out of. It's true. Please give us like pencil. See. Pencil because using two that is out of range. Okay. That is the next thing typecast. I will tell you before. I have them. So now I start off list from slicing. Okay. List slicing like a string slicing. We see list slicing like a store. Huh? Zero, two, two. What a syntax error. Sorry. I forget to put parentheses. But list uses a square bracket, not parentheses. Okay. I have seen list uses square bracket, not a parenthesis. That's 0 and 2. I will 3. I will 3. Then this includes pencil also. Let's see. This includes pencil also. This is called slicing. I will tell a step forward slicing like jumping. Two. I will tell. Let's see what's happening. And this jump is only book and jump another because 2 means 0 1. Let's do 4. Now let's start another one. List function. Let's see list function. It is a list slicing. It's a simple. Let's see list function. I will tell that first. Sorry. I will tell this. Hmm. Number number is equal to 2. Sorry. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Now we check. This function is very interesting. I like functions. Let's start math function. Oh, sorry. Math. No, yeah. What is this? Let's see. This is correct or not correct. It is Let's apply new function. It's a simple thing, not a very big deal. 2. That's enough. No apply. Just what function? None. What? Oh, wow. I don't know what's the problem. That's sanity. Reverse function. Oh, none. Everything none because there is. Because this is in short form. This is reverse form also. Small. Let's see. We do something wrong with this. Sorry. So, yeah. That's short form. Sorry. Oh, what's the problem? Oh, syntax error. There is also none. Let's see append function. Append function is add a number or add something in the last of in list. Like we had 6 in the list. But what is the? I think I do something wrong. All my function gives. Now this is working. Wow. Add one. Now let's start start function. I like the function. The function that's our program and our easy. Like, let's see this function is working. Wow. This is also working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. Let's use reverse function. Shorting it so arranging the data, arranging the numbers in folder form. Reverse function. Yes, yes, I using this. 2, 9, 4, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. It's reverse this. And we use maps and 9. I will tell you append function remove. Don't include anything in this, but in the last list. Let's see insert function. In which index we want to index. Like we want to index 2. Let's see. Which number, which thing we want to index. Like I want to 5. No, 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 no. 45. See it clearly. Let's see. 0, 1, 2. 2 indexing. Oh, sorry. 2 indexing. 45. Now we use remove the function. Remove function. We want to remove 2. We using append and this thing. This is really change original list hour. Okay. 2 is removed. Now using pop function. Pop makes pop function deleted last. Let's see last element. Pop function eliminated last element. That's it. Okay, let's start in. Let's start tuple. Tuple. Tuple means a list which cannot change. Like in the list we use the function append. Insert we can change them, but in list we cannot change. It is immutable. It is immutable. Okay, but list is mutable. Sorry. List is mutable. Means we can change. Oh, mm, I think we got this now. Let's start tuple. Tuple uses parentheses, not square brackets. So we use parentheses for like 1, 2, 3. Now we can this delete it and we going to say that is tuple. If we take only one element, then this is not tuple because this is not in parentheses. To make tuple, we use comma with one element. Now see. Watch. This makes a tuple, and this is also tuple. That's it. I will tell some interesting things. How to swap elements. How to swap number. Swap number by using Python programming. This is interesting exercise. Let's say a is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Now we want to swap a b is equal to b a. Sorry. Print b. Now see a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. This is swap. This is interesting. Now let's end this discussion. Thank you.